A day with puppies. That's what we're doing today. It's a little after 6. I am not a morning person. But there was hardly any poop today, which is really wild. But yeah, I'm going to show you what it's like to have 10 puppies and how much they need you. I got my big puppies here too. But first things first, they hang with mom, and then I'm going to feed them some kibble. And then we're going to sit out here in the morning. Oh gosh. Until they all poop. And then they're going to go back in. And I'm going to have coffee. And then they poop. Like right here. But they didn't poop overnight. It's amazing. Yeah, see, here's some poop right here. I have to clean up because it's like right here. Oh, at least it's nice out. There's some more. And then they sneak in and want to get bit by the big dogs. Don't sneak in. Oh, yep, I see one. Okay, I'll be honest with you. Usually this pen of theirs is like full of poop, and there's none this morning. Now, I tried to take them out. I guess it was about 10 o'clock last night. Let them play outside. Actually fed them a little bit at that time. And miraculously they didn't poop. But usually they poop overnight a little bit and then smush it everywhere. But they didn't do that today. But they don't do it at all during the day, which is great because that's like how we're potty training them, is we let them out lots of times a day to come outside and learn like outside is an easier, better place to poop, because then it doesn't get on you when you poop. So now we're just keeping track of 10 puppies, counting 10, counting 10, counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey. Our grass is so dead. There's been no rain. And this used to be AstroTurf. Gotta love the old farmhouse, you know. Oh, yeah, see, thank you. Tear it out. Do it. We got vicious ones over here, just attacking the gutter. Yep. Vicious. Now the chickens show up to eat the rest of the kibble. And there's a doggy chicken encounter. What do you think there, buddy? Mom is trying desperately to get them to stop nursing or leave her alone. Come on, Scarlett. Scarlett, are you done? You done raising babies? 8:30 a.m. Second round. They dumped their water. We won't feed them this time, but we'll just give them a little bit of, well, I guess they're eating right now. I don't think she has much in her anymore. I think it's more of the routine of it, huh, Scar? I'll run around a bit, poop and pee. Shorter visit. I like to set up a blanket in the sunshine and keep an eye on everybody as they run around. torment. Hi, Camel. Huh. Sometimes they come over and tackle me. The other thing I do during this time when I let the pups out and just hang outside with them is my workout in the morning. The kids just left with Dad to go do some house sitting of a friend's, and so we're not doing school right now. They did a little bit before they left, so maybe I'll squeeze in my workout since we have a puppy visit to the vet. All 10 pups going to the vet today. So that'll probably take up my afternoon when I usually do my workout. So I'm going to do my workout and watch puppies at the same time. I mean, multitask, squeeze it all in. You know, I wanted to read. I was just going to sit and read. But that's hard to squeeze into my life. Well, that was a nice thought, but they just were way too insane, crawling under my office and all over the place. So didn't get my workout in. Now I forgot I have to make bread, or at least start bread, for my church group tomorrow. And then I'll try to get my workout in. Meanwhile, they're pooped. Pooped it. Are you so pooped? So cute and pooped. Precious. Oh, on the move. Gotta find a new place to be pooped. Hello. Oh, there is a poop. Gross. Great. Ah! Okay, let's get out before you. I should have known. I was trying to finish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh, somebody's already got to get stuck. Is it? Come on, Demi. There you go. Mama feeds him a little. We'll give him some lunch. And sit out and read, I guess, for a bit while they run around. We're doing a little bath time, pre-vet visit, because they're super gross.
Oh my goodness, Rosie.
What do you need?
I was gonna get a little soap in the water, so we just do dish soap. Otherwise, I have this conditioner after we wash them. And this is the only other thing. This
This is just conditioner?
That's just conditioner. This is the Arm & Hammer.
That's fine.
But I'm gonna get a little more water in there.
Oh, so fun.
Brown color. What is this?
A what?
Brown color.
A brown what?
Color.
Collar. Oh, yeah.
Bring me another one. We're doing at least, you know what? Bring 5. We're gonna do 2 batches.
2 batches?
Oh, Rosie.
That's probably enough water.
It's helpful if it's a little bit deeper. It's hard to get them wet unless you bring me a big, good cup. It's hard to get them wet. Oh, good job. All right, one more. Trump.
Scarlett's. Oh, that's not Scarlett. It's Camadon. Hi, Camel.
Hi, Grandma. Come say hi to your little brother and sister.
Whoa, you guys got in trouble, huh? Poor little boy.
Oh, my goodness.
Try to swim. Swim out. Samuel.
Oh, Sam. What's up, Sam?
All right, now go get Daddy a cup, like a plastic cup.
Yeah.
Oh, are you so sad?
Look at that face. It's like, what is this? Rescue me. Okay, I think I'll do it. Puppy batches. Glad I didn't clean the bathtub yet.
Oh, my goodness. Of course it is.
Rose is a climber. You are making a mess. Yes, we're gonna bring the
Okay,
dragon.
so when you put
Oh my
it up-
goodness. Put it down.
Alright.
Put it down.
Hands out. You pick this one right here and then scrub it up.
This one? Right
Yep.
here?
Yep. One of the.
Who is it?
And you got to get all the way up on the head and ears and under the chin and the tummy. Okay, I'll scrub it up. She is.
Put their heads together. We'll all stay afloat if we stay together. Rose, what do you think? She's like, I do not like it.
She's like, I'll figure this out.
Yeah, she's a climber. She is impressive. Look at her.
Oh yeah, no, she's coming out. She's got enough upper body strength, I think, to.
Dad,
Okay,
that's
get
it.
another one.
All right, get another one. I mean, I don't think you did a very good job, so step up your game.
It smells good. You guys are gonna smell much better. Gross. You're gonna slip back and fall in.
Just like every pup for themselves. Okay. There's the cup.
Cup of the
I feel like they're much better this time.
Should we even bother conditioning, or should we save that for like
Yeah,
before
we'll
they go
save
home?
that.
I think we just need to clean them up.
Where's the
Rose
soap?
All right,
Dozy.
why don't we?
Did they all get washed?
No, this one didn't.
You gotta make sure all the soap is off their bodies.
I know.
Oh. Is she soapy?
A little bit.
She's got pretty good. Oh, look at these little tiny baby goats, though.
Let me out of here. Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
All right, do we need to get the hair dryer out?
No, we'll just dry them real good.
Because they were pretty shivery last time.
They still have a ton of soap in their bodies right here. Is that it? There we go. Just some. There we go. That's whole butter.
Mom, how do you get it?
Okay.
He's like, hi.
That is a little tiny golden retriever.
All right.
I tell you what.
Get Trump out.
All right, Chunk.
He's like, finally, freedom.
Batters.
They're Frenchie film batters. Look at that face.
Oh, what do you think, Sam?
It's like everybody's getting up.
He's like, I'm left. He's like, hey.
Okay.
All right, here comes the next one. Oof, oof.
Well, I finished with my assignment.
Awesome. Oh, it's beautiful.
Sis, will you get another towel, please?
There's so many islands. Another towel.
Please.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, sham.
Oh, hey, What's she doing over here? She says, hi, everybody. I'm Rose.
There's so many little puppies. They're just doing. Look at Rose. She's like, hi,
They're
look.
happy
I'm.
now. They're
Oh,
full
yeah.
of energy. Trump's like, I feel great. Have you ever bathed? Have you bathed?
Sam's like, hello.
Baths are great, he says.
It's a sweet one. She's like, why?
He's like, help me.
Who's this one? It's little Quincy. Oh, Rosie.
You're gonna be
Little
so
oh,
free.
Marley.
Good.
Look at this Marley. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, yes. Attacking that
He's like,
camera.
That's so great. Trump
Get
and
that
Rosie are
camera.
just like, this was
Get
the best,
that
best
camera.
day ever. I feel refreshed.
Look at how cute you are.
She's shaking
Marley
like
Rose.
I feel refreshed.
She's gonna eat my hand.
Half of them,
Oh, so good.
She says, oh,
What are we gonna do with these guys? Are we putting them back outside?
yeah. Oh, you cold, poor guy. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, he says, oh, it's a camera. Say hello. Oh, they love the camera. Oh my gosh. Yes. Sammy. This is Samuel. Or Sam. I'm been calling him Schwammy.
Now I want to love you because you smell better. Before I
Who's
couldn't even want
this?
that Trump in the
Oh, it's Trump. Oh, look at those big eyes. He's so cute,
Baths
little
are
guy.
Great. I had a great time.
Who's this one right here? Oh, it's Quincy. She's not listening.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
They're so cute. Here comes the next load.
Jackson.
All right, let me
Chuck,
let me
the
get
big
in
fat Jackson.
All right, Sissy, put that down
Okay, out of
for
the
a
way.
second. And all right, fresh, clean, cute, fluffy babies. You guys are so good and clean. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're cute too, Sam. Oh my goodness. Yeah, then there's you, loud girl. Oh, that's a boy. Oh no, that's Reagan. Hi. Hi, cutie. Oh, here's you, just being cute again. Just being cute. All right, 10, 12, wait, 2, 28. Getting ready to go to our vet visit. So they're getting a little bit of milkses, and then hopefully they'll peeps. Nope, she's not gonna come. And then we'll load them into the car and try to see how that goes, hilariously. Lots of puppies and transport. Very good job.
Except for Rose, who's just terrified. And Reagan, who just wants to be a troublemaker.
And apparently
Gosh,
Sam's
that's so
Look how
many.
big Rose's ears are.
I know.
Oh, you have big ears too. Look at them. Look at them.
They're like, this is fun.
No. It's just this litter has more puppies, but still so much more.
Yeah, it feels like so much. It feels like
Hey,
six.
look on there. You can see that dog's. It looks like there's.
Right here.
Sweetie babies.
Make sure they don't fall out. Help me.
What do you know? Golden retrievers for sale.
Where? Oh. He's like, oh, we're famous. We're even on a sign.
It's a pretty old photo, but you know what? That's okay.
A great name.
Wow, that's no
A
good.
Pyrenees Anatolian mix.
Oh yeah.
And then 2
Big dogs.
Roddy
Right
Austin.
behind you.
Bucket of puppets. Hi, cuties. They're like, oh, new place. Back home again. What good boys and girls. Hi, Ruby. You coming to check on them? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, everybody in. Everybody in. Cuties. Back at home, take naps, take big naps. All right, it's about 10 p.m. They're going out for their last romp. What? Oh, yep, there's one right there. We just let our turkeys out of the cage and they're looking for him. Catch that turkey and just put him back in. Just. They don't really know how to roost yet. Anyway, they did get dinner while I was gone at a meeting, and they had another little romp. So they had dinner probably at about 5:30, and then they had a little romp about 8, and now they're 10 o'clock final romp. Little milk, little run around, poop, and get up to bed. And we just found out tonight that Taylor, their family wants to come get her tomorrow. Is this Taylor? Is Taylor right here? Yes. This Taylor. This your last night here, little love? Goodness gracious. Her mom and dad want to come get her tomorrow. She's 6 weeks. She went to the vet. She's healthy. They've got, yeah, they're wormed. They got all their things. See, everybody's peeing and pooping. So she's going to go home tomorrow, which is just crazy. Oh, they're going to attack. There's camo out there. It's 10:30. Nobody's tired yet. I usually let them play until they're like start pooping out. And nobody's pooping out. They're still playing ball, wrestling, running around. It's lovely. 10:45. Settling in. Settling in. Gosh, snuggle up. No. Gotta find the perfect right spot. Oh, cuties. Oh, that's a better spot, yes. Okay. Just wonder if I change spots. so precious.